PC House by Jobim Carlevaro Arquitetos in Florianópolis, Brazil. The PC House is located in the Cacupé neighborhood, in the city of Florianópolis, in Santa Catarina. In a noble region in terms of natural aspects, which is privileged with the landscape of the Cacupé and Saco Grande bays and the mountains that structure the Santa Catarina mountain range, on its nearby continent. The organization of the program was determined by the slightly inclined topography towards the already described landscapes, on a modular base of 8m, which organizes the environments in submodules of 4m and 2m and is externally revealed through its structure and facade elements. The structural solution in exposed concrete highlights and synthetically defines the volume tri of the house, which is part of a residential complex of houses very close to each other. In summary, the program is resolved in 3 levels, namely, basement, ground floor, and upper floor, maintaining the modulation and emphasizing the desired horizontality since its conception as the formal architectural solution. Breaking down the floors, we start with the basement, which can be accessed through the garage or vertical circulations. Here is reserved the service area, as well as technical, with the main infrastructures of the residence, such as the house reservoir. On the ground floor, there is the social and leisure area, with the living room, kitchen, outdoor dining with barbecue, and pool environments. Also, as a character of the floor, all the garden and green areas of the house are integrated with leisure. The upper floor is intended for the owner's intimate area, where the bedrooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and closets are located, as well as an office for the home office. Both the ground floor and the upper floor are planned to respect cross-ventilation, the best solar orientations for suitable environments, and, of course, by preserving the best views, thus ensuring, in addition to thermal comfort, memorable experiences for the users of PC House.